Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Decipher Sociology. We are introducing a new program. The name of the program is Sharpen Your Sociology. It is a mentorship cum answer writing program for those candidates who are looking forward to writing mains 2024. Now when we look at the schedule which is provided by UPSC, we would find that the mains examination is starting on 20th of September. So calculating the days, we find that 29th September is the day that you will be writing your optional paper, which consists of paper 1 and paper 2. Now when we look at the structure of question paper, we will find that each question paper, that means of paper 1 as well as paper 2 of sociology, consists of two sections, section A and section B. Now in section A, the question 1 is compulsory. That means you have to attempt it. You do not have any choice. It consists of 5 subparts, each of 10 marks. You have to write the answers of each question. So you will be scoring 50 marks here. Similarly, in section B, you have to write the answers to the 5 sub questions of question 5, which is again compulsory. So 50 marks here. After that, we have 3 more questions in section A and 3 more questions in section B. Now you have to choose one question from section A, one question from section B, and the 5th question from any section. So what is happening here is, all in all you have 5 questions to complete, but there is a catch. Every question has certain subparts. So here question 1 and 5, they have 5 subparts each. Similarly, other questions 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, each question has 3 sub questions or subparts. So all in all, you will be writing answers to 19 questions in 3 hours. So it is huge when you consider the time that you have per question. Now suppose you are writing the exam without practicing any tests. You have simply read the study material, perhaps you have revised, we do not know how many times, and you plan to write the questions or attempt the paper directly in the examination hall. What will happen? Naturally, it will be a very haphazard attempt. You will have to recall many times, perhaps you will forget things, you will forget thinkers, perspectives, current examples, statistics. Maybe towards the end you will have to write very fast, because otherwise you will leave the paper incomplete. Also, some of the difficult questions which we call bouncers, you will not write them properly, or you will write them in bits. Also, because you do not have much time left, and since you have not practiced answer writing, you will not add value to your answers. Perhaps you will not include current affairs. You do not know how to apply the current affairs because you have not written such answers. So you might be sad after attempting the papers. Now what is the other alternative? When you have practiced your answer writing before appearing in the mains examination, you will find that you have a definite strategy for your mains paper. This is a sample strategy that we are showing. Let's say you get the question paper. Now 5 minutes you take to choose the optional questions. Remember, you have 3 questions to choose. 2 questions are compulsory and 3 questions you have to choose from the question paper from each section. Similarly, the next 10 minutes you can use in writing the keywords or whatever you can recall in the question paper. No marks are deducted for that. After that, you may invest 35 minutes for the first compulsory question, next 35 minutes for the next compulsory question, which is 5. So, 1 and 5 done. Similarly, for the next 3 questions, you can have 30 minutes from section A, then 30 minutes again for section B, and finally 30 minutes for last question from any section. So, you are done and you have completed the paper very smartly. So, this will be the observation by a student who has practiced answers before giving the mains examination. Now, here we can summarize the strategy of a person who has written mocks. They will write the answers or they will write the mains examination with grit. What do we understand by grit? Grit means courage and determination. Here it is an acronym for give equal weightage to all subtopics. Read the question carefully. This is very important because many times you attempt questions before reading the question carefully, whether you are asking for negative features or critique or comment or discuss or elaborate. Next is I, which is interrelate both the papers, papers 1 and 2, very important. There is no hard and fast rule that you cannot write about India in paper 1 or you cannot write about world examples in paper 2. So, you can combine them, you can correlate them, and the last and the most important point is that there should be an inclusion of theories and thinkers. The perspectives must be written because you are writing sociology, and sociological answers or sociological perspective means including theories and thinkers as well as terms. That is why when we try to summarize what is the importance of answer writing, we would realize that it helps us in quick recall. We remember things, we remember points, we are able to write fast because our brain starts working faster. We can complete the paper, that is 19 questions, in 3 hours. Naturally, our quality will be better because we have practiced those same topics again and again. We have spare time for bouncers, the questions which need more time as compared to those questions which we have practiced. And the last point, you will be able to add value to your answers by applying current affairs principles, by including contemporary points. So, your answer will look different from other aspirants. Now, in SYS 2024, which is our program, we will try to learn sociology through answer writing. We will have regular tests. Naturally, they will be topic wise. Our stress will be on thinkers, their perspectives, and we will include both static and dynamic portion. The static portion mainly deals with social structure and social change, and the dynamic part leads to current affairs. So, we have divided those questions into different kinds of tests. First one is mini tests, second one is half length test, and third is FLT, which you must be aware of, which is full length test. If you look at the schedule, you will find that in June, July, we will be starting with paper 1, topics 1, 2, 3, then we have topic 4, all the thinkers, then 5, 6, again 7, 8, 9, 10, paper 1 is complete by 21st of July. Then we start paper 2, section A, 1, 2, section B, 1, 2 and 3 done. Then we have section B, 4, 5, 6. We start with social change or visions of social change, section C, and we are complete by 25th August. And finally, we have given one HLT or half length test, which will include 10 questions on current affairs solely. So these questions will help you in improving your score, will help you in improving your memory, will help you in writing fast, and will help you in adding value to your answers. You will be well prepared with the static and the dynamic portion of the syllabus. Now the SYS cost is 8,000, which has to be paid one time. Okay, so one time payment is 8K or 8,000. Now we have also added FLTs, but this will not be included in SYS. You have to take it or purchase it separately. Why? Because there are many students who do not want to appear in full length test. They are content with topic wise or sectional tests. So this we have added it separately. So there will be 2 FLTs for paper 1 and paper 2, which will be held in the month of September 1st and 4th, and you have to pay for it separately, which is 2K for the 2 tests, right? Now you may ask that we have stressed on answer writing. Now what about mentorship? Please understand that in the beginning itself we have stressed this, that it is a mentorship cum answer writing program. So your doubts will be cleared. We will give you good conceptual clarity. If you want some explanation, we will give you that in the form of video or audio. You can contact us on calls. Of course, you have to inform us first. We will pay attention to every student, which is very much required, because every student is at a different level and one size fits all approach does not apply. Therefore, a track chart for every student will be prepared and we will monitor how you are doing in all your tests. This program starts on 17th of June, but you can enroll it immediately if you want guidance from us in the month of April, May. If you are still preparing or you are revising mains preparation, then you can enroll it now also. We will not charge any extra money for April and May guidance. For any admissions and queries, you can contact us on Deciphering Sociology. This is the ID that we have for contact. Drop us a message. If you have any doubt, any other doubt, then also you can contact us on this Telegram ID. We hope that you have a wonderful journey with sociology. You learn it and you score it. Okay? May victory be yours. All the best. Thank you so much.